Really quick video about problems with the TONGSHENG mid-drive motor when you're pedaling is not helping you very well. It all starts from the sensor. So there's a sensor over here, a torque sensor, that it senses to see how much you're pushing on the pedals. Don't keep your feet or don't turn this when you're turning the onboard computer on. Turn the bike on when you're off the bike. So what happens is that when it's off, like this, when you push the power button, let it go through its setup without touching the pedals. If you touch the pedals, the sensor doesn't calibrate properly and it will give you like sporadic help. So it almost feels like it's broken. It just doesn't help you very well, and it just goes really slow, and it has spots where it helps you more than others. So don't touch the pedals, don't spin them, don't do anything, don't sit on the bike. That's the first rule. And then when you turn it on, it will calibrate properly and it will work really nice. So for a little walk in a park, this bike will do it.